Alright, this is a follow-up to the EZ-Efi install. I've run it many times. I've changed all the settings according to how it's been running, trying to get the air-fuel mixture right. And no physical mods to the engine yet, but factory, this is how it's running while I'm driving. I like that AF ratio. Sorry for the noise. It's not sputtering. It's actually smells pretty good. It used to smell real rich from the exhaust, and it seems to be doing everything. I also stopped getting the service engine light, which is what I wanted to do. So let's see. Oh, traffic. This is New England. I can't really drag race around here. It's running good. You'll see it goes back into learning mode. Little extra throttle, so I don't think it's completely done learning, but it runs just fine. Hasn't stalled since one thing I'll tell you with the TPI is this is a 350. Almost entirely factory, I believe. I don't know exactly what the camshaft is. The engine was rebuilt, but my mind went blank. Yeah, so the TPIs are known for being a little starved of air intake. So there's a setting on the EZ-Efi that you can change the Excel gas. So when I stomp on the gas, some cars might want an extra squirt or an extra boost to the fuel tables across the RPM range. This car, I believe, is set. Look at how illegal this is. I believe it's set at -3. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here, but Excel fuel is what it's called. I have mine at -5, and it works. I don't know exactly what that means because they don't let you see the fuel tables, but as soon as someone's not behind me, I'll show you. It used to sputter and hesitate and all this other stuff. It still does, like, maybe a little bit, but I'm not sure if that's just learning, so I'm not going like -6, because I did -6 and it started getting worse. So I'm coming to a stop. There's someone behind me? No. Alright, so I can hit the gas. It responds. I can hold the brake a little bit, and it does doubles. So I'm happy with that. That's all I want this car for. And I just want to do that all day. And then I'm going to paint it. So, looks good. I'm happy with it. I hope this, just remember the -5 on a TPI intake might be the only way to go. And I have more modifications that I need to do to the engine, where I'll probably drop this out and sell it on eBay or whatever, and go with something that can handle timing, because I'm using the factory timing right now. I might be leaving some horsepower under the hood. So any questions, comment below, but hope this helps anyone that had any other questions about it.